In this video, we are going to look at calculating the x and the y intercepts, and also turning points of the following functions of a linear function. Let me use f of x is equals to, let's say, 2x plus 4. It's a linear function. Then also for a parabola, let's say f of x is equals to, let's use g of x, a different graph. G of x is equals to a parabola. It might be negative x squared plus 4. When you see an x squared, it's a parabola, remember. Then hyperbola, let me not use a simple equation there. Let me say 3 over 2x plus 1 over 4. Yeah, still fine. And then hyperbola, let's say h of x is equals to negative 3 over x plus 2. It must be in this format, in a fraction format. Now let's start by calculating the x-intercept. For the first graph, a linear equation, f of x is equals to 3 over 2x plus 1 over 4. You must know that for x, when they require you to find the x-intercept, you must know that for x-intercept, you let your y be equal to 0. That's the most important thing. Then under that, it's your y. You just put a 0 is equals to 3 over 2x plus 1 over 4. Then you transpose the 1 over 4. Then it's going to be negative 1 over 4 is equals to 3 over 2x. Then you are looking for x, you are going to divide both sides by 3 over 2. It cancels, then x is equals to negative 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 2. Negative 1 over 6, that is your x-intercept. And then for y-intercept, let me reduce pen. For y-intercept, you let your x be 0. You use the same equation, remember. Y is equals to 3 over 2. In replacement of x, you put 0 plus 1 over 4, which is 1 over 4. And also your y-intercept, you always get it from the equation. This value there is your y-intercept. So sharp. Then next one, we have to know how to find for a parabola. We have g of x is equals to negative x squared plus 4. How do you find the x-intercept? Remember, for x-intercept, you let y be 0. So it's going to be 0 is equals to negative x squared plus 4. Then you transpose the 4. It's going to be negative 4 is equals to negative x squared. Then you divide by negative 1. So that it cancels, then you remain with x squared is equals to negative 4 divided by negative 1 is 4. Then you put a square root, then x is equals to plus or minus 2. The square root of 4, when you insert a square root, you always use plus or minus. So for the parabola, you're going to have 2 x-intercepts. For a straight line, it was only 1 x-intercept. And then for a parabola, it's going to be 2. So x is equals to negative 2 or x is equals to 2. Very important. So that those are the x-intercepts. You can write them in a coordinate form. Negative 2 is to 0 or 2 is to 0. That's it. They must be the same numbers but different signs. Then for y-intercept, you always get it from the equation. Remember, I told you y-intercept is 4. So you can just write y-intercept, y is equals to 4. Then you are done. Then the last one, for a hyperbola, you have h of x is equals to negative 3 over x plus 2. How do you find the x-intercept? For x-intercept, let y be 0. Remember, you put a 0 there. 0 is equals to negative 3 over x plus 2. Then you transpose the 2. It's going to be, you transpose the 2, it's going to be negative 2 is equals to negative 3 over x. Here, you must have a fraction on both sides of the equation. So to have this as a fraction, you're going to put over 1, then you cross multiply. Here we cross multiply. Remember, for hyperbola, we cross multiply. For those ones, we do not cross multiply. Then negative 2 times x is going to be negative 2x is equals to 1 times that is going to be negative 3. Then you divide by negative 2, it cancels, then x is equals to negative 3 divided by negative 2 is 3 over 2. Then for y-intercept, here guys, the y-intercept is not y-intercept, please. It's only for straight line and parabola where you have those values as a y-intercept. Here this is not the y-intercept. You have to calculate it. So for y-intercept, let x be 0, then it's going to be y is equals to negative 3 over 0 plus 2. When you put this in your calculator, it will be undefined. I think negative 3 divided by 0, yeah, it's undefined. You write NA, so there's no y-intercept. So that's it, guys. Follow me on the next videos where I will be discussing how to find the lengths of different between different points using the x-intercepts, the y-intercept, and the turning points. Thank you.